So, a lovely trace of oil. Slight minor issue. No idea what it is yet exactly. Just took the bottom engine pan off. I thought it was the water originally, because that was a problem before. Turns out it wasn't the water, it was the oil. And for some reason, yeah, it's almost empty when my friend came back. So that sucks. I was only 50 kilometers, the light didn't come on. God knows why, maybe the sensor is damaged. The light does work because it turns on when I turn on the engine first. Anyway, it looked like it was like around the oil filter and here originally. But frankly, I've got no clue. I mean, there's also a little bit of oil around the pan, but not much. On the east side I can't really see much. I have to say, the engine looks kinda non-existent from this angle. Like it's just like that bit, this bit, there's nothing here. Man, 1.9 turbo diesel. Actually, let's check the turbo as well. Doesn't seem this much there. There's a little bit of, but this has been like this always. So this has also been like that. I really would like to fix all of this, but oh, and my so this goes here or not? No, probably not. I think my cover is gone. Right. I wanted to actually like add it, or rather reattach it, because it was attached for some fucking reason. Holy fuck, splicing cables like crazy. What the hell is going on here? I hate car mechanics and car manufacturers as well, actually. So, continuing further with the oil leak, managed to get the front radiator slightly opened, which should help with identifying it. It definitely was from around the oil filter, around there. Oh, I just noticed a small, not sure if you can see it, yeah, like a clamp holding this tube off. I think it should be here. Oh, definitely looks like a bolt missing. Okay, so we're gonna begin the experiment. Contact! So yeah, that's that, I guess. Simple enough. I guess it's either corroded or maybe, I don't know. I don't think it's sealed in any like O-ring way. My God, everything here is kinda, you know, I forgot to. I always do this as a, you know, so I don't lose the screws and I don't misremember where they were from. Okay, so getting the turbo oil feed line out is like one of those computer games like Tetris. So it started around here, right? It goes slightly up into a weird angle here, and then somewhere here, and then underneath, or rather in between this horrible triangle. That's the worst part, probably. We'll see, hopefully. And then it goes down there. Yeah, I can see that. No, can I? Then it goes under here, there, and then there. The trick I'm using here is first of all taking a pipe from here, this kind of pipe. Taking that out, I think it's fairly easy first of all, so definitely worth doing it. The hardest part was getting it out of this triangle. The way I do it is I loosen this thing and then you can bend it a bit. Not sure whether that's a good idea, or whether it's definitely not a good idea, but hopefully no particularly permanent damage ensues. After you get out of that bend is where it gets a bit tricky. This end originally was above this cooler line. You can even see some marks left there. No, actually you can't, but I can. So originally it was above it. I had to kind of squeeze it this way out, and now that it's on the bottom, I think this will get quite easily out. Getting it back in will be the really difficult. Okay, so starting from this position, I'm holding it here. It goes there, and there. It's already pretty low by now. I just lower it further. Then I can get it here, and it's dangling even further down. My hand is right here. It goes on the left of those hoses. There and there, it's below the frame almost. And by this point, I can get it over on this side, dangling like this. It's important to remember the position between hoses, because when I put it back in, I have to go right between the same hoses. If I don't, it will be a nightmare. So in front of this one, but behind this other one, not sure what it is. Anyway, dropping it on the floor now. Ha! So yeah, this is the bit that is leaking. Doesn't look particularly damaged. I just think the nut is simply worn a bit too much. Oh no, it is actually cracked. Haha. Yeah, if this thing focused, I don't think it will. So this is after welding and grinding. Yeah, focus will be a problem, sorry. The crack was quite long, I have to say. It's difficult doing this one hand. Anyway, and the bolt, of course, just barely passes. It has a little bit of, yeah, but you know, that's good. Maybe the weld will hold if it's a tiny little bit thicker. I doubt it though, frankly. It will probably break after one, or, well, either it breaks instantly, or after an hour of a drive, or after a month. Doubt it will last longer, but we'll see.